got a water leak, and I've had virtually no sleep. But let's go to MOTOBÜRO's Easter meet. I think it's going to be a nice day. Sorry, there's plenty of dickheads on road. It's Sunday and it's Easter bank holiday, innit? Who knows, maybe I'm one of them.
But one thing I like more is a goddamn small block chibby.
Small block chibby.
Small block chib. It's a goddamn small block chibby.
Thanks for watching that. I hope that you enjoyed just a quick look around what we're going on at MOTOBÜRO. It's really made me kind of light that fire back under my arse to get some projects finished. I'm not on YouTube to build cars, because again, I'm not a car builder, I'm not a mechanic or anything like that. I'm here to just kind of show you can have a good time for very little money. You can have a good group of friends, people you can rely on, and they can rely on you, and you know, you can have some good times, all whilst living on a bit of a budget. I'm from Yorkshire. At the end of the day, a budget's a big thing to me. MOTOBÜRO was sick. You know, I wish I'd filmed more stuff, but if I'm honest, I was just enjoying myself with all my mates. Sorry if this lighting's a little bit shit and this ending's just not that great. I just really enjoyed it. I really hope that next thing I go to is just as good. Again, Sunday was sick. I hope you enjoyed the little video. This is going to be in between part 1 of the interior build. If you've not already watched it, you should. And part 2, because my floors have just arrived from Goodale Speed Shop. So yeah, I'm going to probably have like a solid week on car with welding and painting and faffing and all that. So yeah, just let this be sort of like the little filler in between, and I promise that the next ones are going to be, you know, going to be a little bit better. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope it weren't too long. I hope you enjoyed your Easter bank holiday weekend. I did very little. I hope you did too. Have an awesome week. If you want to know something really cool as well, if you've ever seen the film Four Lions, the scene where he blows himself up, the first guy, is right there. I just filmed the outro here and only just realised. See you in a bit.